How to fix DistributedCOM Event ID error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So let's get started. Firstly, press the Windows plus R keys on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Then type regedit and press enter. In the registry editor, expand the HKey classes root folder and the CLSID folder inside. Find the folder with the CLSID you received in the error message and right click on it and select the permissions and click on advanced. Now change the owner to the administrators group, then select replace all child object permission entries, then click OK and then select yes to the Windows security warning. Back in the main permission windows, click add enter everyone and click OK. Again in the main permission window, select everyone from the list of the users in the top and select full control from the allow column in the bottom half. Then click OK and apply full control. Expand the HKey local machine inside, expand these folders, software, classes, app ID. Then go to the folder which has the same app ID you received in your error message. Then right click, choose permission and select advanced, give the app sufficient permissions. Now press the Windows key and type control panel. Then switch to icons view and the top right and open administrative tools, open the component services. Then click computer followed by computer, select the service that causing the issue and click the security tab. If permission were properly set in the registry, you should be able to select customize on all three categories in the window. Once customize has been selected on all three categories, select edit on launch and activation permission. If you receive a warning that one or more permission entries attached have an unrecognized type, then click remove and reboot your PC for the changes to take effect. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.